It's the only thing the world is talking about right now is that Trump won. Now what? What are we going to do? How am I going to make more money and how you can make more money over the next 12 months as well? We're going to be talking about housing affordability, mortgage rates, regulatory burdens, and immigrations. These are big, big deals for people that are real estate investors or trying to get their first wholesale deal, fix and flip, or their first buy and hold. Check this out. These are the last 2 text messages I got. Linda Hamilton asking me for $672,000 for a land deal she's working. Austin Marvel asking me, hey, do you have a connection? I have this big lot of land. Why is land such an important thing right now? Is because one of the topics we're going to cover right now. Let's start right here. This is actually an important thing. The Republicans are going to relieve a lot of people in the federal government of their jobs. We've already heard it. We see that Trump is already saying we're going to get rid of the education department. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to get rid of that. One of the things they're going to get rid of is regulations on building new homes, which is the #1 reason why people are having a hard time building houses. So what's going to happen is you're going to see land wholesaling is going to be one of the biggest things over the next 12 to probably 60 months. If you are brand new and you're trying to get into wholesaling or doing creative finance, you should be jumping into land because so much more of this is going to be happening. Big chunks of money. In fact, let's look at Linda Hamilton, one of my mastermind students. She just asked me for $675,000, but let's look at how much money she's going to make on her last deal. She said that she is making $400,000 on her last deal. Okay, $400,000 on her last deal. That's one deal. That's a land deal. What is she doing? She is selling land to developers. Why is this important? Is because developers, people that are out there building homes, like Pulte Homes is one of the customers that's buying a piece of land from her. Pulte is saying, we need to start buying land now. We need to start getting permits. We need to start going because all the Republicans and Trump are going to lift all the regulations so we can build more rapidly without as much regulation as happening right now. So land wholesaling is going to be huge. Absolutely huge. If you're trying to get into the business, jump into some of the videos we have on land wholesaling and doing land and how to value land. We have a lot of those videos. We'll put a couple of links down below. Now, next thing I want to cover is immigration. People are afraid of this. People are saying, oh my gosh, mass deportation. We're going to lose all the construction workers. Guys, let's be honest here. I was a licensed contractor for 10 years. Pulte Homes and all these other big home builders, they're not using illegal immigrants. They are not using, the contractors that are using illegal immigrants are the smaller builders. The big builders, they legally cannot hire an illegal immigrant. They cannot give jobs to those people. They have to have papers. As a licensed contractor, if I got caught with an illegal immigrant on my payroll, I would get a fine, I would get in trouble, and I could lose my license. So what's happening is people are going, oh my gosh, who's going to do all the construction? People that are already doing the construction. This is not where the jobs are being done. Most of the jobs are in the fields, they're in manufacturing, they're on manufacturing lines, or smaller construction jobs. This immigration thing of mass deportation, #1, this is going to take months, if not years, to even gain traction. They're not going to have a bunch of traction. And so don't worry about immigration, getting rid of all the workers and rising the cost of labor. The people that are already working for Pulte, the people that are working for Lennar, some of these big builders, they're already legal residents of the United States. That's not going to change anything. Now, what people are also worried about with the immigration is they're saying, well, the cost of housing is going to go down because less people are going to put demand on housing. I don't disagree with this, but we are still 7 million houses short. So check this out, 7 million houses short in the United States. Even if they deport 2 million people in the United States this year, which I doubt they will, over the last couple of years, they've only deported 186,000. I don't think they're even going to make a dent. I don't even think they're going to make a dent. The demand is still going to go up. Now, here's where demand is going to go even higher is mortgage rates. I can guarantee you Trump is going to put pressure on the Fed to lower rates again. In November, which is this month, they just lowered the rates 0.25%. Guess what's going to happen? February, March, they're going to lower the rates again. Okay, they're going to go another 0.25%. I don't think until probably summer of 2025 that any significant push is going to happen in prices of homes. One thing that has changed, however, I'm going to tell you what's happened in my business in just the last 30 days, is housing affordability. What is the economy more than consumer confidence? So here's what's just happened. I have a property on Hobson, okay, a house that I've owned for several years. This house on Hobson has been a stinker. It does not cash flow. We are sick of this house and we want to sell it. So my partner, Cody Barton, and I have had this house active on the market for several months. The problem is everybody's been waiting for the election and nobody's been offering anything where we need it to be. And so we've been getting offers $30,000, $60,000, and $90,000 below what we listed the property for. Guess what happened 2 days after the election? Hobson sold for $30,000 over what we listed it for. So look at the difference here. I was getting offers at $30,000, $60,000, $90,000 below market, and I just got an offer $30,000 over market going into the winter months, right? The slower part of the season. Why is that the case? Because the economy is consumer confidence. More people are confident that Trump is going to make a difference. Guys, whether you hate Trump or you don't, it doesn't matter. The rest of the country voted in a significant way to say, we want Trump to change what's going on in the economy. We're not happy with it. And so our state, Arizona, where Hobson is, even though it's a swing state, voted Republican. They want Trump and they believe Trump is going to change the economy. Now, guess what happened? I also had a 256 unit apartment complex that I'm actively selling right now. I could not sell this apartment for $17 million for the last 6 months. Okay? Guess what happened right after the election? I got an offer for $19 million. People are back. They're excited. Now, why is this? I'm going to get a little bit in over the weeds here. Is that the buyer that came in and says, hey, we'll buy it for $19 million. We started at $19 million. We've had to reduce, and we couldn't sell it for $17 million. Why are they offering $19 million? Well, because that is what our original asking price is, but they're also asking us for seller finance. So they said, will you seller finance the property to us? I said, yes. If so, we'll give you $19 million. So I'm going to make $2 million more than my original offer, and they're going to pay me some interest on the money I'm going to carry. They're actually doing a Morby method. If you guys don't know what a Morby method is, it's a strategy that I created. We'll give you guys a video right here to go and watch the Morby method of what the Morby method is. They're offering $19 million to us. They want it seller financed. Why are they buying it? Because Trump is bringing back his tax breaks on depreciation. Okay? So what's happening is all these big organizations, all these people are making money to go buy real estate now. Because last year they could only get 80% of Trump's original tax cuts. This year is going to be 60%. Guess what Trump's going to do? Trump is bringing back all bonus depreciation, all accelerated depreciation, all those tax benefits that he originally put into the marketplace. He's bringing them all back. So people are back buying real estate, baby. So what's going to happen is housing affordability is going to continue to go down. Prices are going to go up. And the reason being is because investors like myself, investors like BlackRock, Invitation Homes, Colony, all these big companies are going to get back into the marketplace saying, oh my gosh, we buy these, we get a bunch of tax benefits. Housing affordability is not going to be solved. Where housing affordability is going to be solved is right here. Regulatory burdens and tax benefits for the builders. So again, how can you make money in this marketplace? Land wholesaling, guys. If you guys are just starting right now, land wholesaling is a great way for you to start. If you have not done a deal before, land wholesaling is a great place to start because these builders are now saying, oh yeah, baby, it's go time. Drill, baby, drill. We got to start laying down these neighborhoods. And I'm getting text after text after text of people asking me for money. So a couple of things before we wrap up this video. I want to give you guys my cell phone number. Text me, whatever questions you have, whatever things you need help with. Yeah, you can make a comment down below, but I'm going to give you my cell phone. Text me whatever questions and problems you're running into. I'll either give you a YouTube video to answer your question, or I'll just answer the question for you personally, whatever you guys need. If you guys are looking for money, you guys need money for land, single family, multifamily, whatever you guys need land or money for, go to money@pacemorby.com. Me and my team will look at your deals and see what we can do to fund you so you don't have any money problems. And finally, if you guys are trying to get to some of the meetups with my community, the Subto community, go to whereispace.com. Just in the last week, we went to Boston, Maine, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Palm Beach. 5 cities, actually 5 states. Just in and New York, we did Central Park, baby. That was money. 700 people showed up. Whereispace.com is where I'm going to be traveling, where I'm speaking, and what our community is doing in terms of meetups. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you guys understand things are going to be looking good for the real estate market over the next couple of years. Trump is going to change the game. Also, I have met with Trump multiple times, and Trump has told me he loves creative finance. And in one of the next videos we're going to be doing, I'm going to break down one of my favorite creative finance deals that Trump has ever done. So stay tuned for that video. But right now, what I want you guys to do is go watch our videos on land wholesaling so we can help you guys get into the game. And between now and then, text me 480-852-2888 right there on the screen. Ask me any questions you got. We'll give you resources. We'll help you out with whatever you need. We'll see you guys in the next video.